Hey, hello, welcome to Trends and Support. So today I'm going to analyze with this IT stocks and IT index. So the fall and the news driven fall also you can see there's a lot of news behind this. US jobless data came and even growing fears that AI driven automations could disrupt traditional softwares services business models. So there is a big that was a bad news for this IT stocks and but later on the analysts and other CEOs also came out and they said there is not much what to call fears over on this. Let's see the index and this their some of the stocks today. I will cover mostly Infosys and TCS and persistence. So the latter I will cover the others if I get the time, and I will cover the other stocks today as well, but mostly these three. And first you check this IT index. So there was a good upside movement, and we can see this W pattern as well. So we got a breakout on this W here as well, and after that you can see this one got a breakout and slightly moving sideways, moving slowly upward, and this was the previous breakout even. That was also a very good sign here of the breakout, but it went up slightly up and suddenly falls. So that means the internal news already came, and the previous support here and the next support, this was the next support, that one also broken, and again this was also broken. So this was the short term and a small time frame, and we can change to medium term, that is weekly chart also. So let's see this. So here it was a very good see this previous pattern also, cup and handle model, and that time I mentioned this nifty charts and the targets also. And now see here this formation is like this ways, that is head and shoulder pattern, and the bottom neckline is now covered here, that is almost yesterday's low, that is Friday's low is here, it around 31,440 range. So that was the Friday's low. So this was holding as a support now, and I hope it will hold. And after you check this what to call the stocks supports, you may get the idea why this one is holding. And see, and if we bounce back from here also, there will be some resistance to here. It can be this ways. So only maybe it's around 1 or 2 days bounce, and even it can fell back. So this will act as a little more stronger resistance now. So it's around 34,280 range, and even slightly below also it's okay. This is around 34,100 range. So this will act as a strong resistance in these days, next few days. It's exactly this way. Yeah. So this will coming as a resistance now, that is 33,900 952 34,000 will act as a strong resistance in the coming days. And if this one broken, and there will be next support on this you can see this lower side. So it's a little more dangerous for this coming days, that is around it can move towards 30,200 range. So it might be mostly the bottom of this pattern as well. So we should have to hold this one, otherwise you can see this next pattern is formed here. So this can leads towards this around a 27,600 range. I hope this will hold, because of we have a two support line here, the previous one around 30,200 range. So mostly we will have to hold this one, and the pattern also mostly it can be like sideways from here, it could be the way. But if it's formed from here, then it could come down as per this what to call 27,500 to 600 range, as per this movement. so it might be little more lower side as we can expected on this chart. It might be this ways even, yeah, this ways we can see. So there will be a little more fall on this chart. It's look like here, and even little more downside. So this is very important for the support around 30,200 to 300 range, and the current support also 31,440 to 400 range, also very crucial for index. Now let's go to check the other stocks. So this is INFY chart and in small time frame. Here this was forming like a W pattern, and there was a small breakout here, and after that you can see the breakdown from here. Then the next support was 1430 range, that was also broken, and the small time frame, it's not that much of good for the current low as well. So we have to change in a weekly time frame, and let's see. So here also this forming like a M pattern, that is called as a, sorry, not M, head and shoulder pattern, same like index and TCS also. So I'm expecting this support that is around here, this line. So the next support mostly will come here. If you are looking for some other ways, we have a small support here, and this will act as a strong resistance as well. So this will act as a strong resistance in the current market, that is 1430 range will act as a strong resistance because of this pattern here, it's broken, and most probably this can move towards the downside as well. So the current support is coming as per this. So this was the first support. So we met that support, and even the last low also met here around 1280 range. So this was the support, and you can see the bounce because of this reason. And below this we will have mostly will move downside. So probably this support can hold even if you check this ways. So this is the little more stronger support of INFY, that is around 1280. Below this, the next support will come on this basis, that is around here, that is 1210 range. And if you check this also, it's broken. This was the pattern also, it's broken. So all indicate that the IT sector is slightly weak as per this movement here. This one also broken on this. So on the current run, better you can avoid this index and even the stocks, and you can wait downside for adding. We change to this monthly chart, and you can see the downside support is coming here, that is around 1120 to 125 range. So whenever you get this 1210 14 range and 1125 range, you can add some of this INFY, and you can add a little more if you get 1000 range, 1020 to 1000 range. So this is only for long term players. So I hope this support will hold around 1280. Otherwise, if it's come down, then you can add slowly till this range, around 1020 range. So that is for this current movement of what to call INFY. The resistance is very strong here as well. That's around on weekly basis 1430 range acting as a strong resistance on the current movement. So there will be a selling pressure, and it only make a sideways movement. So let's go to check some other stocks as well. I mostly will persistent. Let's evaluate this TCS chart. You can see it's a slightly sideways and downside movement here. totally downside. From here it's moving down and again move up. So this is forming like a lower high, lower high, lower high. And so here this is the crucial point, and this pattern is like this way, and we broken this, that is 27 to 2730 range acting as a very strong resistance. Now 2720 to 30 range will act as a strong resistance. So you can see this pattern also, this one also broken, and now the small support holding this line, that is around a 25 830 range, 830 to yeah, sorry, 25 80 range, 80 to 85 range, 2580 to 85 range is acting as a support on this line. So if we broken this one, and there might be a big fall also again, and the pattern also no good here. See, to we have to move in weekly chart now. So it's clearly something like a big here, this is head and shoulder, big head and shoulder formation as well. So while you changing this monthly chart, you will get a more clear idea about this one. So this is forming like a channel. The TCS is inside a channel. The previous what to call the rising channel is here. So as per my view, you can buy these stocks near around 23 24,000 to 2400 range to, this is not exact full buy, you can partially add if you get 2360 to 60 2360 to 2400, 2400 to 2350 range, and you can add more here 2200 range. So the if you are waiting for this support also, you can wait. So this will be a very good opportunity to buy this one, these stocks. And as per this chart, this pattern is no good, so there might be a more fall, but if you are taking risk for long term, you can add this range, that 2350 or 360 range to 2200 range. If this one you can get, and if you get, and you can add this for an upside. So mostly if this one hold, then there will be a bounce back towards this former this channel, that these two channels. So that target might be this phase around 2700 to, this can move towards this way, that is 2900 range. So from here, if it's came down, if you are adding for long term purpose, then you can expect this much of target, that is 2600 to 2700 to 2900 plus range. And this support I already mentioned for adding, for this is only for long term players. As per this what to call pattern also aiming towards a downside. Yeah, only the index we are having some support, and I already mentioned what's the next levels also. So now let's go to check the next one. So the persistence also very nice, and I think this is the one of the best IT stocks in this index. And the W pattern, you can see the breakout here, the previous breakout was here, that was a very good breakout, and it met this target, that was the posted here, the target also, and the same it happens here, sideways movement and fell. So the current support is on this line around 5220 range is the support. Below we have a, see, this is the rising channel of this, most probably this will hold this support as well, that is around 5060 to 70 range. If any fall towards here, so it's not a one time buy, you can buy slowly in 5220 to 5080 to 60 range. And if we go to weekly chart, so this is the long term support on this one, so that will be little more far, it's coming around here 4360 range, and that is almost will come around 4250 range. So if we not hold this 5000 range, and probably it can come down on this big fall. I hope this will not fall till because of this current support. So once you are adding this range, you can have that one with a small what to call stop loss. It's around here. That means around if you are adding this one, you can have a 4950 or something as your stop loss for this current movement. So while you are adding 5090 to 5220 range, then you can keep a stop loss something like this range around 4950 range. So if we not hold this range, then this could have to come down more downside this ways. It mostly will go this ways. So that's around 4620 range. So while you are adding here, if you are looking for a long term, then partially you can add this range, and if it's come down this range, you can add more. This is the best range that 4360 to 4250 range. So that could be your this will be your best range to add, and it can bounce back this range. If you are adding from here, this can bounce back up to minimum here around 59 to 6000 range. Hope you get all these stocks ideas of TCS, INFY and persistence in the previous video, previous charts, and so the levels I already mentioned, and these are the first part of my IT sector's evaluations. So accordingly, if you want to add long term some of the shares, that's fine, and that's it. So we can see the next stocks in the coming days too. So I'm expecting some small bounce back from now because of the index. Even these stocks also, except INFY also almost having its support, but TCS and persistence is it's the one of the best stocks, and it's touching supports and bounce backing. So from here onwards, it might be a slightly positive upside for this these stocks and even index. Let's see on the Monday as well, and the supports I already mentioned, you can have it that as per the trade. If you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And even the coming days I will share more videos of IT stocks, and even this PSU bank is remaining. So this first part of this IT stocks will closing now. Thank you for watching.